guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a crazy, super exciting video. Maybe not for you guys anymore because videos are out, but for me, this is exciting. I got my Boxyluxe Boxycharm box in the mail. This is my box. It is ginormous. I am so excited to see what is inside. I already know, but I'm still excited. So if you want to know what I got in this month's Boxyluxe Boxycharm box, that's a mouthful, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so for this you do get a larger size box. So Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box. It retails for $21 a month. And it comes with 5 full-size beauty products that is over the value of $100. Boxycharm Luxe is a upgrade from that box. Every 3 months you will be charged $28 more, but the value of the box comes up to more than $300. So, without
further ado, let's go ahead and start. Give me a moment. I'm getting there, people.
Let me just say, Boxycharm does a great job with closing this. Apparently they don't even want the owner of the box to be able to open it. Come on. I'm trying so hard. No. Guys, I can't open it. No. I'm almost there. Got it. So when you achieve to open this box, it does say hello charmer. When you open it, it does come like this.
Being attacked by a giant box of makeup. That's okay.
So this gives you a little pamphlet and it tells you today's theme, Wild Flower Boxyluxe. And it tells you all of the items that could potentially be in your box or are in your box. Now, when you open this up, the first item you have...
I'm just gonna put this down and talk to you, okay?
The first item that I have in my box is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Contour Palette.
I'm so excited.
This is what it looks like. Look how beautiful this is. It has halo, enhance, carrot, princess cut, angle, and crown. That is what it looks like.
I don't even want to take it out of the packaging. It's just so beautiful.
Okay, I need to see how much this retails for. Number 1 item, Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette. It retails for $45.
This pretty much has paid all of the whole subscription almost itself.
The next thing I have in here is the Nightingale Pretty Vulgar Eyeshadow Palette. And it comes with a mirror as well, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch some for you guys. Clutch. Silver spoon. Flip out. Pretty Vulgar Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. Retails for $35. Next item I see here that everyone got, I feel like, in the same shade. This is the Laura Geller New York Baked Blush and Bright in Tropic Hues. I'm not a big blush person, but I don't have any blush that I like, so this could potentially be a good one. So, price point, please. Laura Geller Baked Blush and Bright retails for $28. Here's that, folks, and it looks beautiful. Next in here I have, and I was pretty excited for this, and because of these brushes, it makes me want to order the palette. This is the Alamar Cosmetics brushes. And this is actually really cool. I thought it was going to be just a regular fluffy brush, but it is more tapered. And I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be or if that's how it
ended up getting after, you know, the smushing and the packaging and that.
But these are 3, it's a trio, and they are beautiful. They aren't crazy soft, but they are soft enough, and I think they will get the job done. And they're beautiful, so I'm going to put these with my brushes. Let's see how much these retail for, people. Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos Brush Set. This retails for $18, which isn't too bad. It's like affordable. This is just a extra item that they decided to give us, and I think it's actually really cute. The material isn't too bad. It says totes a charmer. Get it? Totes a charmer, Boxycharm. No? Okay. This is actually really cute, like to the beach, or if I'm traveling somewhere, and to put like my pillow or my blanket and some snacks. And I will be going to Mexico pretty soon, so I might just take that with me.
So this is just an extra item that they decided to give us.
Next thing I see in here that I am actually excited for, because I've always wanted one of these and I'm going to put it right on my head, is the Vintage Cosmetic Dolly Makeup Headband. And it goes on your head when you're doing your makeup. It's so cute. This is just $4.99 and I think it's super cute. Guys, I think this is totally cute. Next thing I picked up, and it is beautiful and luxurious, and it feels luxurious, friends, let me tell you, is the Luxie 732 Airbrush Foundation Brush. And let me just tell you, this baby is soft. I love that it has a little dent in it, so you can go ahead and put your finger there as you're putting on your foundation. This is nice. Luxie 732 Airbrush Foundation Brush retails for $38. This one doesn't excite me very much. I'm not a dry shampoo person. A lot of people were excited for it. Me, I mean, maybe if I got into the dry shampoo world, I would be, you know. But this is the, let me find it. This is the this brand, friends. Death Valley Dry Shampoo. Add instant volume and thickness to your hair on the go with your new travel size dry shampoo. It comes with vitamin E and some other stuff that's good for your hair. This retails for $17. $17 in this little bottle? I'm gonna have to give it a shot. Again, I am not a dry shampoo person, but I will give it a shot because I should, because I don't have any dry shampoo. So let me just give it a shot. Next thing I see in here is the Violet Boss Liquid Lipstick, and it looks like this. It seems like it's gonna match my headband. Violet Boss Liquid Lipstick retails for $12. Ooh, fancy. Give me just a second, I'll be right back. This is what it looks like. It is a very Barbie pink, and it does match my headband. Next item. A lot of people were super excited about this. This is the Smashbox limited edition photo finish primer water, and they did it. This skin mist was co-created by beauty guru Nicole Concilio, and this can be used as a primer or throughout the day as a makeup refresher. And this retails for $32. I guess since it says that it's a refresher, let's give it a shot. Next thing I have in here is the Juice Beauty Organic Solution Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. And this is what it looks like. These were one of the more spendier things. This one retails for $70. Some people got the serum. The serum was $80, but this on its own is $70. I know that beauty products, not makeup, but beauty products, you know, are pretty spendy, and I don't spend that much money on that. And that's exactly why I don't spend that much money on them. So, now that I broke it and all, so you can open it. I know that it has a pump though. Ooh, and it's a very thick cream. Oh, this feels amazing. Oh, it's coming out. It came out. I am not gonna mess with that. Just gonna leave it on here, and here is that. And the last thing that I was very excited about is Sol de Janeiro Ipanema Sunset Glow Oil. And this is a dupe for the Fenty Beauty Body Lava. This one is $35. It is very beautiful, and just for the shot of it, it does not have a pump or anything, so you have to be very careful. And I'm just gonna grab whatever is in there. I am looking very pale with all of this pink action going on. So again, this retails for $35. If you guys would like to sign up for Boxycharm, I will put a link in the description box below. I do get a little bit back if you guys use my code, so just be aware. You can subscribe anywhere else, but there is also my code if you would like to use it. You don't have to, but if you do, thank you very much. And guys, that is the end of my video. This is all of the stuff that I got in my Boxycharm Boxyluxe box. That is just a mouthful again. But I am very happy with all of the things that I got. I'm actually super excited. The only thing that I think what I'm least excited about is the shampoo, the dry shampoo. But again, it's not because it's a bad shampoo. It's just because I am not a dry shampoo person. But besides that, that is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like my video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to my channel.
And I will catch you in the next one.